In this video, I will show you how to write this TIU symbol in Microsoft Excel. So, very simple and easy way to write this symbol. Click on this Insert tab, then Equation. Here you will find this symbol TIU. Select it. Also, you can use this shortcut in this equation editor. Write slash and write TIU and press spacebar one time. Slash mu slash beta or slash theta. So using this method, you can write any type of symbol, and you guys need to find out shortcut. So these symbol sections, once you hover, so you will get shortcut for that particular symbol. Thanks for watching.